You gonna do it? Are you gonna pop? Do the pop and lock. Come on, do the pop and lock.
Pop and lock.
There you go.
And then a hiccup in between. Oh,
there she goes. She's traveling. You're not on the blanket no more.
Nope. Look at her go. I just don't let her hit her head.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how far you can go.
Okay, do it.
Go ahead.
We can have like baby races. She's like, I want to go towards the light.
I'm sorry, my left. God, your breath stinks, dog.
Oh, 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 oh. Almost had it.
Look at Oreo.
She's figured out a way to get there, but she's going to do it on her back. Don't let that be a lesson for life, sweetheart. Thought I'd point that out. Look at her, she's like, oh, I got itch on my belly. Ooh.
Ricky, relax. Relax.
There she goes.
Oh, you're so close. Roll over.
You're almost there.
Oh, she's so close. That arm.
Yep.
You just cut off that arm. Okay, let's not hit your head.
Oh, get it? She's just like, screw it, I'm going to pop and lock over there. It's okay, we're laughing at you. Yeah, yep, we're straight up laughing at you. You're going to hit luggage here pretty soon. You got to learn to aim that stuff. It's okay, I'll just move the bag. She's on a roll. She wants to get to the window.
Oh, she's so close. I wonder if I put her on her tummy, what she'll do. Come on, don't stop now. Yeah. Ow, Nikki. No.
He's trying to get your attention.
I know,
bringing
he's
you
like
his toys
scratching
and
my
everything.
foot. Okay, child. Humorous.
She's like, I don't know how to do the pop and lock this way. I'm going to... What?
Come on, scoot. Really? That's all you got?
I think she's... What is she doing? Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Mickey, get... Hi, gorgeous.